Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix lag in Bluestacks 5. Let's fix it guys. Make sure Bluestacks is running in the background and then go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it and in task manager right click on the Bluestacks and select to go to details and now right click on the HTTP layer and select to set PRT and select a high and select change PRT. After doing this, just minimize this search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it. In here click on the drop down in BlueStacks, GPU preference, click on the drop down and select high performance and just to close stuff here. And now click on the three line in BlueStacks and select settings. In CPU allocation you just need to set half of your cores guys. If you don't know where how much cores you have, then open up task manager, go to performance and select a CPU. In here you can able to see how much cores you have. In my case I have 24 cores. You just need to select in here half of your core guys. In my case I have 24, then I'm gonna set here 8 as a high CPU core. Memory allocation, same thing. Select here memory, and in my case, the 32 GB RAM installed in my PC. As you can see over here, half of your memory can set here 16,000, and performance mode set to high performance. Frame rate set to 60. Enable high frame rate, turn off. Enable VSync, turn off, and select save changes option and restart now. After opening the BlueStack again, go to settings. Go to display and select the recommended resolution, in my case 1920 in 2080. To that select save changes option and then go to graphics. In here prefer dedicated GPU, make sure it is turned on and select save changes option and don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.